PQIS proudly presents a PQIS India YouTube channel. Welcome to our channel. Our channel focuses on three concepts. First is a health, second is an entertainment, third the general scenarios.
Good health is not something we can buy. It can be an extremely valuable savings. Here, we are focusing to give you a healthcare tips like nutrition plans for your balanced diet. Anybody can breathe, therefore anybody can practice yoga. We are going to explain you the benefits of yoga to get flexibility, for the better digestion, help for your weight loss, etc. to explore yourself. Acupressure therapy. It's a manual therapy technique that is used to relieve your pain and muscular tension. We are going to explore all those things, how it really works. Physiotherapy is recognized as an essential part of modern healthcare and a leading method in optimizing your recovery and healing process. Physiotherapy has a very wide range of services that can cater to many people's healthcare needs. Vermicelli is an art of vital point. It is being practiced anywhere now, but how does it really work is a matters a lot. All those things we are going to discuss with the Vermicelli expertisers in our future videos. Acupuncture treatment. Why acupuncture? Can anyone able to guess that? Yes, there are currently more than 200 conditions recognized by World Health Organization that are effectively treated with this acupuncture treatment. Without an entertainment, we can't be an entertainer. Nowadays, food, clothing, shelter, everything else is entertainment. Food is not just an eating energy, it's an experience. The food we choose make a difference, so choose it wisely. Our channel motto is to explore the different varieties of traditional food in all over our state. Age is no barrier when it comes to travel. You don't know where you are going, but you are on your own way.
We gives you a plan to visit a different peculiar places that no one else will find all over our state.
Travel as much as you can, as far as you can, as long as you can. Life is not meant to be lived in just one place. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Cover the earth before it covers you. As a general sector, we are focusing to create an awareness in this society based on today's issues like child abusement, child labor, women's safety and road safety, etc. Be the change you want to see in the world. Social responsibility is an individual responsibility. Child is meant to learn, not to earn. Stop child labor. Say no to child labor. Some people think luxury is the opposite of poverty. It is not. It is the opposite of vulgarity. If you can't feed 100 people, then at least feed just one. No one has ever become poor by giving. There is no greater inhumanity in the world than hurting a child. Is there really equality in our society? Because I am trying to see that, but I couldn't. No means no. It doesn't matter who is she. No is a sign of her uncomfortableness with your touch. A real man respects her no, and the one who takes her no on his ego is not a man anymore. Gender equality is a human fight, not a female fight. We are all entitled to live free and equal. Safety is everyone's responsibility. If safety is a joke, then death is a punchline. Alert today, alive tomorrow. It's better to be safety conscious than unsafe and unconscious. Safety works when people work together. The worst disease in the world today is corruption, and there is a cure. That is what a transparency. If we elect the same corrupt politicians every time, that's a very clear message that we don't want a change at all. Think over it. As an end, we came to conclude that with this channel, you can be fit, you can explicit your adventure life. As a citizen, you should have a social responsibility. With all this note, we are going to be continue with our future videos. So kindly subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get a notification in your smartphones. Thanks for watching.